1. The Nautilus is a living fossil, unchanged for millions of years. 2. It belongs to a group of marine animals called cephalopods. 3. Unlike most cephalopods, the Nautilus has an external shell. 4. Its shell is divided into internal chambers. 5. The Nautilus uses jet propulsion to move. 6. It adjusts its buoyancy by regulating gases in its shell chambers. 7. The shell follows a perfect logarithmic spiral. 8. Nautilus shells are often pearly on the inside. 9. They can have up to 90 tentacles. 10. Unlike squid and octopuses, Nautilus tentacles have no suckers. 11. Their tentacles are sticky and retractable. 12. They have a simple eye structure without a lens. 13. Nautiluses rely more on smell than sight. 14. They inhabit deep slopes of coral reefs. 15. Nautiluses live at depths between 200 and 900 meters. 16. They surface at night to feed. 17. Their diet includes fish, shrimp, and detritus. 18. Nautiluses use their tentacles to grasp prey. 19. They have a strong beak for crushing shells. 20. The Nautilus can live over 20 years. 21. Most cephalopods live for just 1 or 2 years. 22. Nautiluses reproduce slowly and lay few eggs. 23. The eggs take about a year to hatch. 24. Baby nautiluses are born fully formed. 25. They grow by adding new shell chambers. 26. The Nautilus doesn't have ink like other cephalopods. 27. They have a siphuncle that runs through all shell chambers. 28. This siphuncle helps control buoyancy. 29. They can seal off damaged chambers. 30. Nautiluses date back over 500 million years. 31. They survived all 5 major extinction events. 32. Nautiluses have been found in the fossil record since the Paleozoic era. 33. They were once more diverse and widespread. 34. Today, only a few species remain. 35. They're mostly found in the Indo-Pacific region. 36. Populations exist around Australia, Fiji, and the Philippines. 37. The Nautilus is a slow-growing species. And 38. Its shell can reach up to 10 inches in diameter. 39. Shells are often collected and sold, endangering populations. 40. Some countries have banned Nautilus shell trade. 41. They are listed under CITES Appendix 2. 42. This means they require monitoring but aren't fully protected. 43. Conservationists advocate for stricter protection. 44. Nautiluses are vulnerable to overfishing. 45. They are caught for their shells and as bycatch. 46. Nautilus meat is sometimes eaten locally. 47. They are not aggressive creatures. 48. Nautiluses are more passive than octopuses or squids. 49. They spend most of their time drifting. 50. They occasionally make short bursts of movement. 51. Scientists study their shells for mathematical insights. 52. Their spiral shell-inspired architectural designs. 53. Some people keep Nautilus shells as decorative items. 54. They have fascinated humans for centuries. 55. Nautilus imagery appears in art and jewelry. 56. The name Nautilus means sailor in Greek. 57. Jules Verne named Captain Nemo's submarine Nautilus. 58. Nautiluses are considered symbols of nature's perfection. 59. They have a primitive nervous system. 60. Their brains are simpler than those of octopuses. 61. They don't exhibit the same problem-solving skills. 62. Nautiluses detect chemicals in the water to find food. 63. They don't form complex social groups. 64. Nautiluses can regenerate damaged tentacles. 65. Their shells can sometimes trap air during rapid ascent. 66. Too quick a rise can be fatal. 67. They are well adapted to stable, deep-water environments. 68. Sudden temperature changes can stress them. 69. They've been kept in aquariums with limited success. 70. Their deep-sea needs make them hard to care for. 71. They require cool, high-pressure water conditions. 72. Aquarium specimens often suffer from shell damage. 73. Their shell's intricate pattern is species-specific. 74. Scientists can identify species by shell markings. 75. The chambered shell protects them from predators. 76. Predators include sharks and larger fish. 77. Nautiluses retreat into their shells when threatened. 78. They seal the shell opening with a leathery hood. 79. This hood is made from modified tentacles. 80. They have no natural defenses besides retreat. 81. Nautiluses can live up to 25 years. 82. This is long for a cephalopod. 83. Their slow life cycle limits population recovery. 84. They are more ancient than dinosaurs. 85. Their design has barely changed in eons. 86. Fossils show even prehistoric nautiluses looked similar. 87. They are often called living fossils. 88. This label highlights their evolutionary success. 89. They provide insight into early marine evolution. 90. Nautiluses are culturally significant in Oceania. 91. Some Pacific Islanders believe they symbolize ancestors. 92. They're used in traditional stories and carvings. 93. Nautiluses are important for marine research. 94. They help scientists understand oceanic adaptations. 95. Their fossils help map ancient oceans. 96. Shell patterns may indicate ancient sea temperatures. 97. Nautiluses inspire biomimicry and design. 98. Their shells are studied for pressure-resistant architecture. 99. Some engineers mimic their chambered structure. 100. Nautiluses remind us of the ocean's mysterious depths.